In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 180 by 9 using the long division method. 1 is less than 9, that is why we will consider the number 18. We know that 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 9, that is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0, so we can remove one 0. And again we know that 9 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 180 divided by 9 is equal to 20. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.